The last part in the story, the Greeks came up with a really good plan to get inside Troy's kingdom. Soldier, we will build a wooden horse and give it to the kingdom of Troy as a gift. We will make them think that we are giving up and letting them win. We will hide inside of the horse and then attack once we are in. We will kill off them. Okay, let's kill them. Yeah. Here is the wooden horse. Let's hide inside. Come on in. What's this? It will be a gift of Greece. We won. Let's bring this. In the night, the soldiers come out and attack the Trojan soldiers. Odysseus' plan worked. The soldiers got in and killed many of the Trojans and won the war. The end.